Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extensions. In this video, I will show you how to use the AdBlock Chrome extension to block ads while browsing websites. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Google Chrome on your computer, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now go to search bar and search for AdBlock. Here you will see different extensions. You can pick the trusted one, like I'm pick this one, then click on Add to Chrome. Then click on add extension. Once it is installed, you will see the AdBlock icon near the top right side of Chrome. Here you will see it's almost completed. Once it's completed, you will open website where you usually see too much ads. Mark it as pin. Now open any website where you want usually ads, like I am opening website. You can open, opening this. Here you will see all the data, like how much ads on this page, total ads, no ad in this page. You will see one ad in this page. You can also open any other app where you want too much ads. Click on the ad blocker extension, then click, it will block ads for you easily. And that's it. You can turn it back on anytime from the same menu. This is how you can use the AdBlock Chrome extension. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.